Hey there, today we're going to look at join Adobe Firefly to Discord vertical bar. Connect Adobe Firefly on Discord server 2025. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Over here, type in Firefly and press enter, or you can also open the application. After that, make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the option Join the Discord. Over here, you'll be redirected to a new tab. Then click on Accept Invite. If you're not logged in, sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll see some questions. After that, answer the first question about notifications and click Next. Then answer the second question about your use of Firefly and other AI tools and click Next. Over here, answer the third question by choosing your preferred language, then click Next. After that, read and agree to the server rules, then click Finish. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next